Self-insemination at home. Is it possible?
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to address a delicate yet essential topic, self-insemination. Specifically, we'll explore the question, can you do self-insemination with injected sperm at home, or should you seek medical assistance?
What is self-insemination?
Self-insemination is a method by which an individual or couple tries to achieve pregnancy without intercourse, often using a syringe to introduce sperm into the vagina. This process can be done at home and is usually considered when there are issues related to fertility, donor sperm is being used, or for same-sex couples wishing to have a child.
Is it safe to do self-insemination at home?
While self-insemination can technically be done at home, it's important to remember that it carries risks. There are chances of introducing bacteria or other harmful substances during the process, which can lead to infection. It is also possible to harm oneself if the procedure is not performed correctly. Moreover, the success rate for home insemination is generally lower than when the process is overseen by a medical professional. Fertility is a complex process and successful insemination depends on many factors including timing, sperm quality, and overall health conditions.
Why should you seek medical assistance?
Seeking medical assistance for insemination is usually the safest and most effective route. Professionals can provide a sterile environment, expert guidance, and they have access to advanced procedures like intrauterine insemination, IUI, where sperm is directly inserted into the uterus, increasing the chances of successful conception. Additionally, professionals can provide screening and testing of the sperm, especially important if you're using a donor, to ensure it's free from diseases. They can also help with legal aspects related to using donor sperm. While it's technically possible to perform self-insemination at home, due to the associated risks and the lower potential success rates, it's usually best to seek medical assistance. Remember, professionals are equipped with the right knowledge, equipment, and environment to increase your chances of a successful and safe insemination process. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making decisions about fertility procedures. Thanks for joining us on this topic, and we hope you found it helpful.